Hi guys, this is Shreyansh from Baba Ki Kitab, and today I'm not going to teach you any card tricks or so. Today I'll teach you some famous Rubik's Cube patterns on a 3x3 solved Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. The first one is known as the easy checkerboard, and for this the algorithm is R2, L2, F2, B2, U2 and D2. So the pattern looks like this. You can see that is known as 4 crosses, and the algorithm is U2, R2, L2, F2, B2, D2, L2, R2, F2 and B2. And the pattern looks like this. You have 4 crosses and this is solved, this is solved. Third pattern is known as 6 spots, and for this the algorithm is U, D, I, R, L, I, F, B, I, U, D, I, and the pattern looks like this. Pattern is known as plus minus, and for this the algorithm is U2, R2, L2, U2, R2, L2, and the pattern looks like this: plus, minus, plus, minus, and this side is solved, this side is solved. Pretty cool. Hope you liked the video guys, and if you did, like, share, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I post another video. Thank you.